In this tutorial, we'll build an infinite scrolling logos section in SwiftUI. The icons move across the screen, disappear on one side, and appear again on the other, creating the feeling that the row never ends. We do this by repeating a small group of logos and moving the whole row with animation. By the end, you'll have two rows scrolling in opposite directions, creating a clean and dynamic UI effect. We start with a small model called logo item. Nothing special here. It just holds the data for each tile, the image name and the background color. The ID is only there so SwiftUI can track each item when we loop through them. Inside the row, we place everything in an H stack. This simply lays all the tiles in a horizontal line. Each item becomes a logo tile view, so visually we now have a long row of logo tiles sitting next to each other. Now the important part begins. We move the whole row using offset. Think of the row like a long strip of logos. Changing offset simply slides that strip left or right across the screen. This movement is what creates the scrolling effect. When the view appears, we first check. This just makes sure the animation runs only once. If SwiftUI rebuilds the view again, we don't want the animation to restart. Right after that, we set animation started, equal true. Now we mark that the animation has already begun. Next, we set the starting position. Here we look at the direction. If the logos move right to left, we start from 0. If they move left to right, we start one full segment to the left. The key idea here is segment width. This is the total width of one full group of logos. Finally, we update the offset again. So the row slides exactly one full segment across the screen. This is where the infinite illusion happens, because the items are duplicated multiple times, items plus items plus items. When the first set disappears on one side, the exact same icons are already waiting on the other side. The user never notices the reset, so it looks like the logos are scrolling forever. Here we simply bring everything together and build the screen. The text and the button are just the normal UI of the page. The interesting part is in the middle, where we place two infinite scroll row views. Each one receives a different set of logos, and they move in opposite directions with slightly different speeds. This small trick makes the screen feel more dynamic, while the logos keep scrolling infinitely in the background.
And one more thing. If you like this animation, you should watch this next.